It is another snowy and cloudy day here at Revelstoke, which is perfect for me to test out the low light lens from the Snow Camps Europe Revo Goggles. I'm really enjoying how these goggles are feeling around the face and how it fits into the helmet. You get all different shapes and sizes, sometimes they don't, but it's the triple layer foam that is really making that work, getting it nice and secure. And it's a real cold day here today, around about -10 to -15. I've got no cold air coming in anywhere right now, so it's been holding up well. The most important thing for me when it comes to ski goggles is clarity and visibility. There's been a lot of rolling fog and low light, which you get all the time here at Revelstoke, and I've been really impressed with just how much light has been let in with these clear lenses. In contrast with my other goggles, I've actually had some difficulty with the low light lens in that fog, but this has done really well. It's opening everything up. I can see where I'm going, which is a good place to start. If you're looking for specifics on these goggles, there's already a video for more details on that, so there'll be a link in the description to check it out. This is definitely not the weather to try out the gold Revo lens, but let's do it anyway. With that lens, I'm seeing a lot of blues, greens and purples. I don't think I would use that as much here in Revelstoke just because of the consistent low light. We don't get a lot of sunny days here, but it's definitely suited for your alpine skiing in the resorts of Europe where you get a lot of sun, especially later in the season. Maybe I'll be using that a little bit later on, we'll see, but for now, it's back to the low light lenses. Bearing in mind that I've been skiing all day using the Snow Camps Europe goggles, I've just switched over to my normal goggles, which are the Outdoor Master Ultra Snow Goggles. There's a noticeable difference. My eyes are watering and the light that I see, it's a flat light. It's not enhanced the way that it is with the goggles from Snow Camps Europe. With those ones, I feel like everything is brought to life a little bit more. There's a bit more vibrancy to everything that I can see out there, and that's allowing me to see the detail. Whereas this is just, like I say, yeah, it's flat. Do you know, it's almost as flat as the light that you're trying to sort of avoid seeing. So yeah, noticeable difference. And that difference is reflected in the price and the quality of the materials. A reminder that this cost around $100, whereas Snow Camps Europe, it's around $220 to $230, 160 euros for everyone on the other side of the continent. But I think that is a fair price for the quality. I stand by that from what I said in the previous video. People have different budgets for different ski items, and the beauty about snow goggles is that there's something there for everybody. I think in the case of Snow Camps Europe, they've made a top quality product made from the best materials, hence why the price is what it's at. But I've really enjoyed using it today, giving it a bit of a run around in different light at different parts of the mountain, testing things out there. I will be alternating between these and the goggles I currently have. I do have more sets of goggles I want to review throughout this winter, but let me know your thoughts on the Snow Camps Europe goggles below. Please go check out the other video for a full rundown on the specs. I'll put a link up as I've said, but thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one.